Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error message that Windows Live Mail encountered an unexpected problem. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the Start menu, type in regedit, so regedit. Best result should go back to Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now, before proceeding to the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you would easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select the File tab and then Export. File name, I normally recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on either your computer or external drive. And now that you've done that, if you ever need to import it back in, you would just select File and then Import to navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward, and now we are ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HK current user folder. So again, go ahead and double click on that. Do the same thing now for the Microsoft folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Locate Microsoft and double click on that folder as well. And now finally locate Windows Live Mail. So right here, just one time. In the right panel, you want to right click in a blank area, select New, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. There's going to be 3 of these values we're going to create. First one is recreate folder index. Keep in mind you guys might have a lot of items over here beyond just this. This is just a demonstration, but anyway, so you might have other items, so don't be surprised if it looks a little different, but it should be under the Windows Live Mail folder, and you can see the file path up at the top of the registry editor here. But anyway, the first value we are creating is recreate folder index. First letter of each word should be capitalized. Hit enter on your keyboard. Next one, we're going to do another new DWORD 32-bit value. It's going to be called recreate stream index. Again, recreate stream index. First letter of each word should be capitalized. And then finally, one more value here. It's going to be called recreate, and this is going to be capital UIDL, and then those should be capital, and then index. So capital I, lowercase NDEX. So again, recreate UDIL index. Hit enter. Each one of these values, you want to double click on them one at a time. Set value data to 1, so delete the 0, type a numerical number 1 in here, select OK, and do that for each of the 3 values. And once you've done that, you can close out of the registry editor, restart your computer, and that should have hopefully been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.